Write a mechanism briefly when alcohols are treated with anhydrous zinc chloride and HCl. Alcohols from alkyl chlorides when treated with anhydrous zinc chloride and hydrogen chloride. This reaction involved the protonation of alcohol followed by the nucleophilic attack by chloride ion. Protonation weakens the CO bond considerably. The removal of water from the protonated species is facilitated by anhydrous zinc chloride. Reactivity in this reaction with respect to alcohol is tertiary, secondary, then primary. Why is that tertiary alcohol shows greater reactivity towards the hydrogen halides than secondary and primary alcohol? When the alcohol reacts with the hydrogen halide, COH bond cleaves and the other reactivity and the order of reactivity of alcohol is tertiary is greater than secondary greater than primary, because the alkyl group is electron releasing its nature and it tends to increase the electron density towards the carbon atom as well as the oxygen atom. Both the carbon and oxygen atom tend to acquire a partial negative charges. Due to the repulsion between the atoms, the CO bond get elongated and its cleavages became quite easy. Thus, greater the number of alkyl groups present, more will be the reactivity of the alcohol. So, order of reactivity of alcohol with HS is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. How do primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol differ in terms of their oxidation? Oxidation of alcohol with acidified K2Cr2O7 give a different oxidation product. CH3CH2OH, on oxidation it will give CH3CHO, further on oxidation it will give CH3COOH. Same 2-methyl-2-propanol, on oxidation it will give 2-methyl-propane, on oxidation it was given as CH3CCH3O, CH3COOH gives HCOOH. As the number of hydrogen decreases, the reactivity with respect to the oxidation also decreases. Hence, the presence of a hydrogen is essential for normal oxidation reaction of the alcohol. How will you convert C2H5OH to C2H5O C2H5? When C2H5OH ethanol is treated with concentrated H2SO4 at 410 K, intermolecular dehydration take place and the product formed will be diethyl ether C2H5O C2H5. C2H5OH plus H2SO4 gives C2H5HSO4 plus water. Final product is C2H5OH, C2H5 gives C2H5O, C2H5 plus H plus ion. Complete the reaction and write the name of the product. C2H5OH plus NH3 in the presence of Al2O3 360 degrees Celsius. When ethanol react with ammonia in the presence of heated alumina or Toria catalyst at 633 K to form the mixture of amines. CH3CH2OH plus NH3 at 723 K, it gives the first amine. CH3CH2OH plus first amine CH3CH22NH at Al2O3 gives second amine diethylamine. CH3CH2OH plus CH3CH22NH at Al2O3 it gives triethylamine.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.